Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to save TikTok drafts to camera roll without posting any videos or like that. So let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and then log into your account and go to your profile and find your drafts. So as you can see over here, one draft is over here that I have recently uploaded, but not on TikTok, but in drafts I can see over here. So click on that and you will come over here. So you have to simply click on edit on the top right corner, and then it's gonna be edited. So you can simply add a song or like add any effects like scroll it left or right, so you can see bunch of filters over here, or like you can simply edit by the right menu, the right side menu. You can see over here a bunch of options. You can see over here a arrow down ahead. You can see, click on that and then scroll up, and as you can see over here at the last option you will see save. For the purpose of the video, we have to save drafts in our camera roll. So we have to simply click on save button, and it's going to be saved in our album or like our gallery or photos, and there you will find your draft. And that's it. That's how you can save your drafts from TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.